there, entrepreneurs! Are you ready to unlock a game-changing tool for your business? Today, I'm going to spill the tea on why your business needs a secured credit card like yesterday. First off, let's clear up the basics. A secured credit card is your ticket to building or rebuilding your business credit. Think of it as the training wheels before you hop on that sleek, no-limits business credit card. You put down a cash deposit and voila, that's your credit limit. Simple, right? Now you might be thinking, why should I tie up my cash? Well, let me hit you with some real talk. A secured credit card helps you build a solid credit history. And we all know a solid credit history is like having VIP access to the best financial perks out there. Better interest rates, higher credit limits, and more favorable loan terms. Can I get a heck yeah? And here's a fun fact. Secured credit cards often report to business credit bureaus. So, using one responsibly is like giving your business credit score a protein shake. It gets stronger and healthier the more you use it right. Plus, they usually come with some sweet perks. We're talking cash back, travel rewards, and even fraud protection. Because nothing says I've got this, like knowing your business is protected from those pesky cyber crooks. For those of you just starting out or bouncing back from a credit hiccup, a secured credit card is like having a financial buddy who's got your back. It's a low-risk way to prove your business can handle credit responsibly. Think of it this way. You wouldn't show up to a business meeting in your pajamas, right? Consider a secured credit card as your business suit for your finances. It shows lenders you mean business, literally. So if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, don't sleep on this. Get yourself a secured credit card, start building that credit, and watch your business opportunities expand. It's like planting a money tree. The more you nurture it, the more it grows. All right, that's it for today. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make your entrepreneurial journey a little bit easier and a whole lot more fun. Catch you later, Credit Warriors.